Hello and welcome to Nonstop Crypto. In today's video, we will be talking about how you find NFT projects early. If you're new here, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell to get updates whenever we post. Finding good non-fungible token projects is actually pretty easy. You see, NFTs are driven by the rarity factor, meaning the more rare the NFT is, the higher will be its price. Hence, it'll also be appreciated in value. So when you're looking for NFT projects, you might want to understand and figure out how the creators of the NFT make NFTs rare. Remember that NFT sites that have a big community around them are good NFT investments. And most of the time, what happens is that NFT projects that get featured in these big media sites quickly grow in size and value. The best example I could give you of is CryptoPunks. So when you're browsing through the NFT projects in the upcoming section of the rarity tools, you'll come across sale date and time. This is when the NFT project will get released. You can easily figure out whether if the NFT project is worth your investment or not by checking the number of NFTs that's going to be released and how many people are following the NFT projects. Here's how you can buy NFTs. One common way to buy NFTs is by using OpenSea. There are two options for sellers listing NFTs on OpenSea. They can set a fixed price for an NFT or set up an auction where any number of buyers can make offers on an NFT. They can also use both options similar to eBay. On the other hand, selling NFTs in OpenSea is pretty straightforward. From your profile, select the NFT you would like to sell from your wallet. Click the Sell button in the upper right-hand corner of the NFT page. Here, you'll be prompted to choose the price, type of auction, and other preferences. You can set your NFT as a fixed price sale or start an auction with a variety of settings, including a start price, price threshold, and timed expiration. When you've worked out how you want your sale settings to look, click the Post Your Listing button. There are no direct fees for listing one of your NFTs for sale, although there are some fees once the sale goes through, which are listed out here. You'll also be prompted to initialize your wallet if this is your first time selling. There might also be a few extra review prompts to click through if the NFT you're selling wasn't minted on OpenSea. After all of this, you'll be asked to finalize the listing, confirm all the details, and post your NFT on the marketplace. You can view all the NFTs you have up for sale by returning to your profile and selecting the Activity tab on the left-hand sidebar. Now, if you want to create your own NFTs, it's surprisingly easy. OpenSea and Rarible are the leading platforms for NFT creation. While Rarible dominates total sales figures, OpenSea provides more related services, including the ability to create your own NFT web store powered by the OpenSea exchange. Step 1. Set up MetaMask. The first thing you'll need to do is to create your own NFT is to set up a software wallet. This wallet can hold your NFTs, and you'll also need to use it to pay blockchain gas fees later on. Step 2. Tokenize your art. Once you have a MetaMask wallet created, you'll be able to create your own NFTs. Navigate to OpenSea.io and click the Create button in the menu bar. Now you can connect your MetaMask wallet with the OpenSea and get to work. Step 3. List on the marketplace. In order to sell your first NFT, you'll need to enable OpenSea to sell items from your account. This requires a blockchain transaction, so you'll have to pay a gas fee. Send some Ether to your MetaMask and you're good to go. You'll only need to pay this fee the first time you create an NFT collection. And that's it. You'll be all set to start your NFT research after watching this video. However, it's important that you remember that the NFT market is a risky space, and please do your due diligence before buying a particular NFT. Are you planning on buying or selling NFTs? Let us know in the comment section down below. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel Nonstop Crypto, and turn on the notifications bell down below for more upcoming videos like this one. Thanks for watching.